Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. An an electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. Okay, height of the pole is 9 meters given. This complete thing is 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair work. Okay, see, suppose this is the pole. He should reach here. This is 1.8 meters below the top of a pole. Okay. Alright. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use? See, this is the ground and let us say this is the ladder. This is the length of the ladder. He will place the ladder here and he will stand here and he will do the repair work. Right. So this is the ladder. So let us name this right angle triangle as ABC, and see what should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs at an angle 60 degrees with the ground. So this ladder is making 60 degrees with the ground. Okay. What should be the length of the ladder? So this is AC. We need to find this AC. That means we need to find the hypotenuse side, right? Okay, we need to find the hypotenuse side. What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole? See, foot of the ladder, this is foot of the pole. And this also we need to find, which means this is the adjacent side. Angle is here. So this will be the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, right? But how much is AB? This complete height of the pole is 9 meters. And we need to subtract 1.8. So this will be 7.2 meters. 9 minus 1.8 will give us 7.2 meters. Alright. This is the opposite side, adjacent and hypotenuse. Opposite is known, we need to find hypotenuse and we need to find adjacent, right? Okay, we can find hypotenuse first or adjacent first. It is up to us. Let us find hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse will come in which formula? It will come in sine. See here, we have sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, and we know the formulas. Old hero and his old acting. Sine is O by H, which means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite, and we are finding hypotenuse first. So opposite and hypotenuse are in consideration. So let us use sine. We can use cosecant also. Let us use sine. Sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is 7.2. 7.2 divided by hypotenuse is not known to us. Let it be AC only. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, right? From trigonometric table, so this is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 7.2 divided by AC. If you cross multiply, root 3 AC will be 7.2 multiplied by 2. Let us not multiply this. Let us bring AC this side. You can multiply 7.2 into 2 also. Okay, 14.4 will come. 7.2 multiplied by 2 divided by root 3. If we have roots in the denominator, we will rationalize that, right? So let us rationalize this. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3 only. So this will be equal to AC is equal to 7.2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 3 divided by, see, we wrote the numerator, divided by root 3 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 and 7.2 will get cancelled. Okay. 7.2 divided by 3. 3 2s is 6, subtract 1 and point, and 2 4s are 12. Okay, so 2.4 will come here. That 2.4 and 2, if you multiply 4.8, so this will be 4.8 multiplied by root 3, or 4.8 root 3 is the length of the ladder. Okay, but in the textbook we have 4.8. See, we need to multiply 4.8 and root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. In the previous two videos, I told you to remember the root value, right? Root 3 value. Root 3 value, we approximately take it as 1.732. Let us multiply 1.732 with 4.8. 8 2s is 16, 24 and 1, 25. 7 7 is 49, 56, 56, 57, 58, 58, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is this much. 4 2s is 8, 4 3s is 12. Okay, so this will be 1, 28, 29, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. So this is how much now? 6, 5, 6, yes. 8, this is 10, 11, this is how much now? 10, 13, 6, 7, 8. So point will come after 3 places, 3 decimals. So 8.3136. So this is the length of the ladder, 8.3136. Alright, meters of course. Okay, and yes, we need to find what will be the distance between the ladder and the foot of the pole. Alright, so let me just rub this. I don't have enough place here. Half of the board I wrote question, right? Okay, that was length of the ladder. Now we need to find the adjacent side. So adjacent and opposite. Adjacent and opposite is in tan formula, right? Or in cot. So we can either use tan or cot. Let us use tan. Tan 60 is opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is 7.2. Okay. Divided by adjacent. Adjacent is BC. Okay. Tan 60 is root 3 from trigonometric table. Remember the trigonometric table. Okay. If you cross multiply this, root 3 BC will be equal to 7.2, or BC will be equal to 7.2 divided by root 3. We have root 3 in the denominator, so we are rationalizing it by multiplying numerator denominator by root 3. So this is 7.2 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, just now we cancelled this and we got 2.4, right? 2.4 multiplied by root 3. Okay. So the distance between the foot of the pole and the ladder is 2.4 root 3, or you can write it as 2.4 multiplied by 1.732, because root 3 value approximately is 1.732. So 1.732 multiplied by 2.4, 4 2s are 8, 12, 28, 29, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. This will be double, right? So this will be 14, 2 ones are 2, this will be 3. So 8, 6, 15, 10, 11 and 4. So 4.1568 will be the distance between the foot of the pole and ladder. Alright, I hope you understood this problem. Little lengthier compared to the previous problems, right? But not difficult, easy one. Okay, so see you in the next video.